Salve, cocktail lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian Aperol Spritz. This vibrant and refreshing drink has gained popularity worldwide, but there are some unknown facts that make it even more fascinating. So, grab your glasses and let's uncover the secrets of the Aperol Spritz. Buongiorno. Did you know that Aperol Spritz is not just a drink, it's a cultural phenomenon in Italy? But there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore some lesser-known facts about this iconic Italian cocktail. Fact 1. Aperol's colorful heritage. Aperol, the key ingredient in an Aperol Spritz, has a rich and colorful heritage. Developed by the Barbieri brothers in 1919, Aperol was inspired by traditional Italian aperitifs. Its vibrant orange hue represents the warm Italian sunsets and adds a visually striking element to the Aperol Spritz. Fact 2. The perfect proportions. Have you ever wondered about the perfect proportions for an Aperol Spritz? Well, the Italians have it down to a science. A classic Aperol Spritz consists of 3 equal parts: Aperol, Prosecco, and a splash of soda water. This careful balance of flavors ensures a harmonious blend of bitterness, sweetness, and effervescence. Fact 3. The Spritz ritual. When it comes to enjoying an Aperol Spritz, Italians have a ritual of their own. Traditionally, the Aperol Spritz is served over ice in a large wine glass, garnished with a slice of orange. It's not just a drink, it's an experience that encourages socializing, relaxation, and embracing the dolce vita lifestyle. Fact 4. The perfect aperitivo. Aperol Spritz is the perfect companion for the Italian concept of aperitivo. It's a pre-dinner ritual where people gather at bars or cafes to enjoy light bites and a refreshing drink like the Aperol Spritz. This delightful combination of flavors stimulates the appetite and sets the stage for a relaxed and enjoyable evening. Fact 5. A world of Spritz variations. While the classic Aperol Spritz is beloved, did you know that there's a world of Spritz variations to explore? Italians love to experiment and personalize their cocktails. You can try different liqueurs like Campari or Cynar, or swap Prosecco for sparkling wine. The possibilities are endless, and it's a fun way to discover your own signature Spritz. And there you have it, folks. Some unknown facts about the Italian Aperol Spritz that make it even more fascinating. So, the next time you enjoy this vibrant and refreshing cocktail, remember its colorful heritage, the perfect proportions, the Spritz ritual, and its role in the cherished Italian aperitivo culture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delightful cocktail adventures. Salute! Cheers to the Aperol Spritz and the joy it brings to our taste buds and social gatherings. Until next time, keep exploring and sipping in style.